ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे।
My honorable chief guest and my honorable sirs and my respected teacher and here present all elder than me and all my dear friends, a very beautiful and good afternoon. Good afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank director of this program, Mr.Ghulam Nabi sir, and my respected teacher Sangeeta ma'am, who gave me a golden chance to speak in the front of you. I am Arudesh Pandey. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. I am from Lilai, Baroli. Today I am here to deliver a speech and my topic name is self-confidence. Before I start my topic, I would like to speak some line in Hindi. मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर जेबों में भर के आशा है, मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भरकर जेबों में आशा है, दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाएं, कुछ कर जाएं। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में दीपक सा जलता देखोगे, सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में दीपक सा जलता देखोगे, अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट। We all know that self-confidence means having belief about yourself and for your abilities. What is self-confidence? Self-confidence means, if you can Google, you can find that it comes from a Latin word confident. Confident means trust. Trust not about yourself. It's trust about your act and about your thinking. Self-confidence means having belief about yourself and about your qualities, not in arrogant way, but in a realistic and secure way. If you have a self-confidence, you can do everything. Those people who have a self-confidence, they are always appear himself on the top of the world. If you notice that, you will find that every self-confidence people always appear himself like as a calm, collected and successful in every day thing do. And I would like to say, my friends, if you have a confidence, you can win everything, like any competition, your success and everything. If you start believing in yourself, success automatically enter in your life. And I would like to say, my friend, if you can believe it, you can achieve it. And for example, I believe in myself, that's why today I stand here. So now I'm going to finish my topic. Thank you so much. Thank you very much giving time to listening my statement. Thank you. Jai Hind.
प्रशांत कुमार मौर्य, शादाब मुस्तफा टीएस रैंक, शादाब मुस्तफा टीएस रैंक, खान सितारा 13 रैंक, एक 14 रैंक।